Mount your camera on the tripod, use portrait mode, record an empty background for a few seconds, then you walk in. So you're walking in, you are looking up as if you are looking at something imaginary, okay? Then the next thing now is you make a jump and do as if you pick something, then you throw your hand and stay like that for a few seconds, then you walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace. Click on your video and go and locate volume. Click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. Let's mark out an empty background for the video. Click on the video, make a split. Go and look for overlay. Click on overlay now, right? Click on your background, go and look for freeze. Locate freeze, guys, go and look for freeze, okay? Click on freeze now, click and drag it. After that, you click on this one and take it to the beginning of the video. At this point now, click on your second layer, the main video, then you go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG now, auto removal. Allow it to remove completely as it's applying. Look at it there. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, okay? Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials, okay? Welcome to the tutorial. It's still removing, as you can see. Now it has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. Then you adjust the video. Immediately you see yourself. Then you trim it and drag it back. So at this point now, we are going to be click here and adjust it so that you have enough space for your light, okay? Then you come back now, click on overlay, then you import your first light, all right? Then you click on splice, click on filter, mark on that good and go back and locate mask. Go and look for mask, click on mask now, then you cropple this light. Use that 2 arrow to cropple this light, all right? Come down and cropple the light. After cropping the light, now after resizing it, you click on this good and go back after resizing it. So at this point now, go and locate the point where you jump up to pick the light, all right? Immediately you jump up now, you want to push this light to that your hand. Push the light to your hand, push it to your hand, all right? As you push it now, you are going to be adding keyframe, okay? After adjusting it now, you come and click on the video. As you click on the video now, you add keyframe, all right? So as you are moving now, as you are coming down, you are adjusting this light to your hands, all right? So be following, carry this light and be following your hands now. So anywhere your hands go now, anywhere your hand go now is where the light will be going, all right? So immediately your hand makes a move, push the light to the point of your hands. Look at what I am doing, all right? Do it gradually. Don't rush so that you will not make mistake, okay? As you are trying to throw the light gradually, you are still pushing the light. At the end of the then as you throw your hand now, push the light. After that now, let us see how the move is, all right? After you are done making your necessary adjustment and shifting the light, you play the light so that we will see. Play the light now. Let's see how it look like. Good. So at this point, we are going to be clicking here to make a split, all right? Make a split. Delete this last part, okay? Look at the light now. Good. So immediately here now, you are going to click on overlay again. Click on add overlay. Import this other light. As you import it now, you click on splice as well. Click on filter again. Click on filter, mark on that good and go back. Locate mask again. Let us resize this light. We can't use it to work like this. So you go and locate mask. Click on mask now. Click on circle. Then you resize your light, guys. Resize your light. You can see what I am doing. Come down and resize your light. As you are using that 2 arrow, come down. After resizing it, then you turn the light. As you turn the light now, you place it on your hand. Place it in your hand. Go and place it there. As you place it, then you make your necessary adjustments. All right, look at what I am doing. After making your necessary adjustments now, then you play it to see how it look. Good. You play it in case if there is any error, you identify it. All right, play it now. Good, this is good. But I don't like that noise. All right, so you are going to click on the light now and come to the first frame, then you reduce it to 0, mark on that good and go back. So at this point, this video I think is ready. So what we are going to be doing is to mark out the unwanted part. So you are going to be clicking on this place now to make a split. So click here, make a split, click on the first one, make a split, delete this and delete this one as well. All right, so let's play the video from the beginning now. But as far as I'm concerned, this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect as the case may be. Then after that, you can now export your video. All right, but maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add my effect and every other effect. Don't worry, at the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects, and after that you now export your video. But there's another thing you need to understand in this video. Remember, you use auto remove BG, which is a pro features, and you are not a pro member. If you try to export this video now, you cannot be able to export it, but don't worry, we have got you covered. In one of my videos there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. Go and watch that video. You will learn and know how to export your video. You come and export your video to your gallery. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, okay? Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? Remember, if you need any of those effects we use for this video, don't hesitate to DM me, then I will send them to you. All right, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.